ELI5. How can my fancy new dishwashers eco mode last 5 hours? How is that good for the environment? It lets your dishes soak with cold water for a long time, instead of blasting it with hot water. I always use the eco program when I go to bed. Removed. I don't have a dishwasher, so till they can go for 5 hours when in eco mode. I'm assuming your system is to wash the dishes at the end of the night and they'll be ready by the next day. The basic principle of engineering. Faster, better, cheaper. Pick 2. Slower wash means it can be as good as a faster one, but cheaper. Use less water and electricity. Dishwashers generally use a small amount of water for the work they do. A kitchen sink uses the same amount of water every minute it's on. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more content.